Indian Chemical News editor Mr. Praveen Prashantji, you have given a very enthusiastic and very important platform, Next Gen Chemicals and Petrochemical Summit 2021, to bring all manufacturers of chemicals and petrochemicals and to discuss their problems and to growth, how to contribute to the GDP of the India, and what policy to make and to change. This is very important for the government as well as the industries. Today's speakers, Mr. Kapil Malhotra ji, Mr. Deepak Shah ji, Mr. Gajendra Gogri ji, Mr. Rahul Tikku ji, Mr. Maulik Patel ji, Mr. Maulik Mehta ji, and Mr. Somaya ji, and about 3,000 plus on this platform have joined. All is, I am very thankful to them, and I am very important summit you people have joined. I am my congratulations to you all. I congratulate today our beloved Prime Minister Honorable Sri Narendra Modi ji for completing 20 years of public service, heading the government, Gujarat CM and Prime Minister of India without break. This is the history. The great leader of our India has completed the 20 years in public service. You know all, since last 7 years, our beloved Prime Minister has made a sea changes in Indian administration and government policies. We all are know the Prime Minister is very much ease of doing business, government, and the less government and more governance. This is the policy of our Honorable Prime Minister. And in last 7 years, our government has developed infrastructure tremendously, like roads, rails, and all waterways, airways, and all, to create a good atmosphere and encouraging to the manufacturing industries. In last fortnight, we have discussed this chemical and petrochemical sectors. Many manufacturers, MDs, CMDs have come to me and they have given their views what to do from the government side. So we are hearing and we are seeing what to do the best for the manufacturing industries. We all are know in future the Indian chemical and petrochemicals have the tremendous potential and scope to manufacture within India to self-sustainability and self-reliance as Atmanirbhar Bharat. So Prime Minister is very keen to Atmanirbhar Bharat in every sector, not only the chemical and petrochemicals. We are experiencing in power sector. So Prime Minister has ambitiously targeted the 175 gigawatt of renewable energy by 2022. So we are achieved already 150 gigawatt of renewable energy, including mega hydro, and in coming 2022, definitely we are achieve the 175 gigawatt of power, and the ambitious target of Prime Minister 450 gigawatt of renewable energy by 2030. Definitely मोदी है तो मुमकिन है. This by we will going to achieve in future 2020, 20 and 30 also. So Prime Minister has also announced in last year the hydrogen energy mission. So on that also Government of India is working seriously, and definitely in near future, India will become a lead to the world in hydrogen energy, so that in chemical and petrochemicals, we have a tremendous scope, and we are moving, and we are many changes, bringing the changes in the policy also. As coming on 20th of October, our DCPC department is conducting a meeting, BS authorities meeting on 20th. So whatever our industry people have given a views to make some changes in policies and bring industrial friendly policy, and to encourage the growth of this chemical and petrochemical industry to India. Definitely, our department, and particularly, I am very keen to bring some changes, uh, this sector to grow more rapidly, to become a Atmanirbhar in all angle of the productions, so that sure government is looking forward to your views, and as well as your whatever the views you have given, we will consider and will bring to the knowledge of the Honorable Prime Minister and our Cabinet Minister, Mr. Mansukh Bhai Mandviya ji, and other ministry also, as you said, environmental clearances and other registration matters. We are going to check out all these problems and sort out as soon as possible. So this summit will bring definitely some sea changes in bringing the government and the manufacturers and FDI to the India. Definitely we will welcome all the manufacturers of the world to bring, to invest in India. Thank you so much. Once again, Jai Hind.